Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see recover deleted files for free using Windows File Recovery. To get started, open the Windows Store. There you will look for Windows File Recovery. Select the utility and click Get to install it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now run the command on the screen to make use of the regular mode. Remember to indicate the destination path and the search source. You will confirm the process to carry out the analysis with the letter Y. After the analysis, you can define whether or not you see the files with the letters that it offers you. After this, open File Explorer and check the folder created with the recovered items. If you prefer a more extensive search, in the terminal run the command you see on the screen with the extensive parameter. Remember to indicate the destination path and the source. You must confirm the process as we saw before to do the analysis. After this, open File Explorer and check the folder created with the recovered items. It is also possible to recover files of a particular extension. To do this, run the winfr command with the syntax on the screen, taking into account the type of file to recover and the source. Confirm the process with the letter Y. After the analysis, you can define whether or not you see the files with the letters that it offers you. Lastly, check File Explorer for the recovered files. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.